So what is it that we're doing, bro?
We're transferring the engine to the workshop, but we're trying to do it in a way that we don't have to take it off the stand. So we're going to lift this up with the crane, hopefully fit it into the trailer that fits onto the lawnmower.
Hello.
Drive it up real slow. And yeah.
And that trailer is this.
Should we go through the engine stand? Or on here? Maybe on here to support the stand as well?
Yeah, I would support that.
Maybe like slightly diagonal. So
Diagonal?
like this. Ow.
Measuring to see if we can fit this on the trailer. Ooh.
No.
No?
No.
Oh shit. Okay. Well, that was option one.
Can hang off, mate? Nah.
No,
Nah,
because
that's
it's
the
got to
heavy
go
part.
inside. Yeah.
Fuck, what do we do? Just doing it like that for the moment. Maybe we get the crane up so we can like hang it on there loosely. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop.
Nice.
Just leave it loose for now. Do you ever get like a little bit of like metal stuck in your finger?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you might be
It's at the front.
wondering, why are we using ratchet straps around the engine, using a crane, an engine crane, to lift the engine and the engine stand? We need to get the engine from the garage, just a normal house garage, onto this trailer with our trusty RYOBI lawnmower, and we're gonna bring it all the way.
Did you pause it yet?
Yes, yeah, I have. And we're gonna bring it
Dad,
all the way
I've heated up for you already.
through the
We can't hear
driveway, up on all this grass,
This is where all the energy
or
goes.
this way. We can also cut through the pavement here. And we're gonna bring it all the way up the grass into the workshop. That nice
Yeah.
grey looking workshop inside there. Alrighty,
Shall we
time to lift.
do that side?
Come on, mate. Going on.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Oh, there you go. It stopped again.
You can't park there, mate.
Several days later.
Good.
Probably like just a tad bit more. Stop. Nice.
It still sticks out, the axle.
Oh, does that not come off?
No, it's welded in.
Oh.
We've got to take the axle of the engine stand off so that we can fit it on.
So we can fit it.
Then we have
on
to
the
put
width of the
it back
trailer.
on when we get up there.
Looks pretty legit.
That should be enough.
Alrighty, thank you, Crane. Are you ready?
Yeah, are you gonna hold it?
Yeah. Let's go. We made it.
We made it. Red carpet.
Yay. Alrighty, thanks to the Jazz, it helped us bring the engine crane all the way up to the shed from down there. Very nice. So what are we doing now?
Putting the axle back onto the engine stand
The
so
axle
that we can
returns.
take it down. Alright.
And she's back on. Time for her to go down back to the ground.
I'm ready when you are. Oh my god.
And we
She's
have
home.
touchdown.
Well, home before home.
Huh?
Alright, straps can come off.